Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new way to use Deepseek in N8N AI Agents. If you come over to Deepseek and try to access their API platform, their platform is down and it has been so far the last couple of days. So what you need to do then is you need to use another service which hosts their Deepseek models. So how you can set this up is that you can go to grok.com, which you can see is a fast AI interference or inference. It is basically 10 times faster than all the other AI hosts you can use out there. So they host like Deepseek R1, for example, locally. So you can click on Dev Console. You will come into this playground right here. And what you want to do is you want to click on API keys. You need to sign up and then you come to the playground and then you come to the API keys, click on create API key, and you can copy that API key and come back over to your N8N workflow. And what you want to do is when you click on this right here, you want to add a new chat model to your AI agent and you want to click on Grok chat model. So in here, you want to connect to your new Grok account. So you want to create new credential. You want to paste your API key and here. And once done that, click on save. And now it will be able to basically have access to all of these different models. You want to click on the Deepseek R1 Distill Llama and then you want to click out and you are basically connected to your Deepseek. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.